Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you 3 simple ways to hang a skirt. To be honest, you can hang skirts in multiple ways, but these are just 3 ways I believe are the best ways to hanging a skirt and different types of skirts. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh, before we continue, make sure you like this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. All right, let's get right into the video. The first option is the fold over. This is probably the easiest and most common way to hang a skirt. You will need the skirt and a hanger. All you need to do is place your skirt through the hanger, and that's it. You can adjust one side of the skirt to either hang over a bit or to match. Number 2, clip it. So the items you will need are the skirt, a hanger, and some clips, or the skirt and a clip style hanger. Use a clip style hanger or detachable clips to secure your skirt at the waistband. Adjust the skirt to make sure both sides are balanced to prevent unevenness while hanging. You can also use alternative clips to clip your skirt to the hanger like these. Just make sure the clips are large enough to hold both the skirt and the hanger together. Also, make sure you clip on the waistband. This option will prevent the skirt from creasing. Option 3, add fabric. For embellished or sensitive material skirts, fold a piece of fabric, I'm using felt, or tissue paper in between to protect the detailing or to prevent scratches on the skirt. If you have a faux leather skirt like this one, this option is preferred. So grab the skirt's waistband and place the fabric on the skirt. Once you're comfortable with the placement, assuming the clips are on the hanger, clip it in place. Make sure the clips and hanger are intact to ensure the skirt is secure. This will prevent it from slipping out. Adjust the hanger accordingly to make sure both sides are even, and you're done. This option is also preferred for skirts that have heavy beading or embroidery. What did you think? These are just 3 simple ways to hang a skirt. There's not a lot of ways to do so. It just depends on the type of hanger you use, maybe the type of clips you use, and just how you actually lay the skirt on the hanger. It's really simple, and once you do it correctly, you will never have to worry about creases or wrinkles or bends in your skirt. Before we end this video, let me know in the comment section below what type of hanger you like to use when hanging a skirt. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Alrighty, you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye. Look at this, look at this. It's not even ending. Look at this, still, oh, there we go. Oh, yep.